got this desk for free, and it's in pretty poor shape. This needs glued back on. I don't know. Seems like we could do that. The more I look at it, the worse it gets. That's coming off. These drawers really sit in right. That goes back too far. Gotta fix that. This one sits in crooked. Try and fix that. There's a big gap there. That pushes back way too far. That one pushes back too far. That one just sits in there wobbly. It's a cool looking desk. It looks like it came with a mirror at one point. We're just going to fill those in because we don't have a mirror for it. And it looks like it's got quite the thick coat of paint on it. Came with some nice fabric in the drawers too. Alright, now the glue is dry. This little piece right here got a gap. I need to re-nail this to the front of this. There it is. Beautiful. Alright, it's down. This is what we're using to strip. It's the first time using it. We've heard good things, so we're going to try it. Should I put more on?
Yeah, we're probably going to need it. How thick does it say to put it on?
It just says to apply with the brush.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm. It says it stays wet and active for 24 hours. It's eating away at the brush.
Yep. Okay, we need like a
Real brush.
well, it's
It
fast
ate these
acting.
brushes.
Done. Done. Done.
It says to wait 30 minutes and scrape a test spot, see if we need to wait longer. The citrus strip worked really well. I like it a lot. We're going to do a second coat. There were at least 2 coats of paint on there. A green one, then a cream with gold. And originally it looked nice. Nice red stain, it looks like. We're going to do the same thing to the drawers now.
Dab that brush on that little spot right there. That turns it off inside.
I guess I should have used a dowel or something for this. But that's two strips with the citrus strip. It looks nice. We will have to get sandpaper in there to get this stuff out. And down here. It's just chipping off.
Well, let's strip it then. Yeah.
Alright. We were planning on sanding the base of this, save us some time, but it's a mess. We're going to primer this thing, a couple of coats, probably 2 coats, and I'm going to use my Kraus & Becker $20 Harbor Freight paint sprayer. We're going to do our first coat of paint. We're doing Navajo White from Sherwin Williams.
We did 3 coats of primer on this and sanded in between each coat. Well, this thing isn't working. It's just spitting all over. It's just spit paint everywhere running. So we're gonna have to brush it on.
Someone's knocking on the door.
You sure?
Yeah.
We just got mail. I just got mail. Let's open it up.
James May says this is a hit.
While I'm opening this, that paint sprayer worked really well on our TV stand. I may have mixed the paint too thin, I don't know, but we're gonna paint the rest of it by hand with a brush and possibly mix the paint with Floetrol to try and alleviate brush strokes. Glitter, lots and lots of glitter. Ooh. And for better sound, each one end with a little tripod,
You get a tripod with it?
a microphone, lens cleaner, that, and batteries. That'll be nice. Better sound's always nice. And then this. Oh. This is my new Moto G7. We got the final coat of paint on. It's all dry. We did 3 coats. And now I'm going to take this off, take all this off, and stain the top. We're using Mocha. Using this to cover the top. I'm going to let that dry completely, then go through, sand it with a 320 grit, and probably put 3 more coats on it. broken drawer slide, and instead of trying to make a new one, we're going to try and wood glue this, clamp it together, see how strong it is.